Will investing in the Bajaj Allianz Life Assured Wealth Goal Plan help you in achieving your financial goals in the long run or not? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what are some of the basic details about this plan. So, this is a non-participating individual life insurance savings plan. Some of the key features of the policy are there are 6 variants, namely lifelong income, second income, step-up income, extra income, wealth creation and assured income variants. And the premium paying terms can be chosen as per your convenience like single, regular or limited. And the sum of all premiums you paid will be returned at the end of the income period. A deferment period can also be chosen out of your given option. The income period depends on the chosen variant among the 6 and there is a life cover available throughout the policy term. So these are some features of the policy and there are benefits like death benefit, maturity benefit and income benefit which all differs based on the variant you have opted for in the inception of the policy. And there are additional benefits like option to take your death benefit in installments in lump sum. So this is applicable for the variants 1 to 4. And there is another additional benefit like option to take your death benefit in installment which is applicable for variant 5. And another benefit like option to avail your maturity benefit in installments. This is also applicable for variant 5. And there is another option called to avail your income on date of your choice. So this benefit is applicable under variants 1 to 4 and 6. And another benefit is your option to take death benefit in annual installments. So this is applicable under variants 1 to 4. And there are also rider options that you can add to your policy to enhance the base policy cover. If you want to know more about this in detail, you can definitely refer to the policy brochure. Now, let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of the policy. So, the advantages are the policy has a variety of options to choose from according to your requirement. The return on the premium is an added advantage. The wealth creation variant offers the compounding effect of the corpus and joint life option is available under the single pay option which is applicable to variant 5. And there is lifelong income variance which can act as a secondary source of income during your post-retirement period. And all your future payouts, that is your income benefits, are guaranteed. Riders also available to add into your policy. And there is loan option which helps to meet any emergency. So these are some of the advantages. The disadvantages are the income benefit is constant throughout your life except in the step-up variant. So this is not adjusted to inflation. The sum assured on death is also not adequate. And the lock-in period in this policy is for 2 years. And this is not a monthly income plan. The life coverage is also not extended during the income payout period in plan option 6 assured income. So till now we have seen all the details on this policy but it is still not enough to decide whether we should buy this plan or not. That's why we are going to do research and analyze the IRR of this policy which is the internal rate of return to see whether this policy will benefit us or not. How we are going to calculate the IRR is through the based on the figures mentioned in the policy brochure. So we have calculated the IRR and the maturity benefit under each variant based on some assumed metrics based on the figures mentioned in the policy brochure. Now as you can see the IRR ranges between 4 to 5%. So under all these 6 different variants this is the IRR that's been mentioned. So on analyzing each variant it is evident that income benefit would be the least in assured income variant and also in the step-up variant. So if you receive the income benefit for a predefined period, then the income benefit amount would be higher. So it would be even higher for 10 years, which is your extra income, when compared to the income benefit calculated for 30 years, which is the second income. So since the lifelong income variant has a higher income benefit period and also has an option for the return of purchase price, the IRR works out to be 5.85%. So this is the highest IRR we can get under this policy. So on the whole, the return range would be between 5 to 6% only. So this is lower than any debt instrument return and this return is not sufficient sufficient to build the corpus for our life goals because these are not inflation beating returns. So, what is the final verdict on the policy? Is investing in the Bajaj Allianz Life Assured Wealth Goal Plan worth or not? So, in today's uncertain world, it is imperative to have guaranteed return, which is fixed income products in your portfolio. This policy may look like it is suitable for investors who like to save systematically and invest towards their long term goals. The step income option and return of purchase are added advantages to this plan. But keeping in mind the inflation rate, the return on investment of this plan won't be sufficient to meet the inflated cost of your financial goals. So the potential return of this policy won't beat inflation consistently over a long duration of time. So the rising inflation across the globe has reduced the purchasing power of money. So to prevent the loss of your money, just saving is not enough. If you do not invest in the appropriate asset class, then you're essentially allowing inflation to take away your hard-earned money from you. But still, why do insurance agents try to sell you this plan? Because like many policies in the bazaar, there is a high agent commission involved in this plan. So it is solely for their benefit and not for you. So please refrain from wasting your hard-earned money by making crucial financial decisions while merely browsing social media platforms like Quora, Facebook, Twitter, etc. It is always advisable to seek the advice of a qualified financial planner. So if you have any comments or questions, please mention them in the comment box below.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.